Hi students, this class will be the continuation of the previous class. Last class we saw about direct form 1 and direct form 2. Now we will see cascade and parallel form for the same problem. Okay. The problem is y of n is equal to minus 0.1 y of n minus 1 plus 0.2 y of n minus 2 plus 3 x of n plus 3.6 x of n minus 1 plus 0.6 x of n minus 2. As I said, for all the structures we have to find h of z. Clear? By taking z transform and then y of z by x of z. Find this. Last class we drew that form 1 and that form 2. Now we will see cascade and parallel form. First is cascade form. Cascade form means the given problem, numerator we have polynomial, denominator we have polynomial. Find the roots and then write the factors. The roots you can do it by calculator. Okay, you have to go to the equation mode and find the roots and then write the factors in the numerator, factors in the denominator for the given h of z. Now cascade form is what? It will be of the form h1 of z into h2 of z into h3 and so on. It is series form. Yeah. So here we can take this as h1 of z, where h1 of z is nothing but this by this and h2 of z is this by this. Since it is multiplication, we can have h1 this by this and this by this also, doesn't matter. Okay, so find h1 of z and h2 of z and represent h1 of z by direct form 2 and h2 of z by direct form 2. Direct form 2, last class we have seen, denominator left side sign change, minus 0.4 will be plus 0.4 and plus 0.5 will be minus 0.5 and other things you know, and then join the two sections, thereby we have the cascade form, h1 of z into h2 of z. We can write h1 of z as y1 by x and h2 of z as y by y1, where the output of the first section will be the input of the next section. This is cascade form. Now parallel form, see, for this we have to draw the parallel form. In parallel form there is one thing. Here in cascade it is h1 into h2, whereas in parallel form it will be h1 of z plus h2 of z, it is addition. And here in parallel form, one condition is the denominator degree should be greater than the numerator degree. But here in this problem, both degrees are the same. So what we have to do is, we have to divide this once to eliminate this power minus 2 and have power minus 1, such that the denominator degree will be greater than the numerator degree. So how to eliminate? We have to write the numerator and the denominator, that is the dividend and the divisor, in the reverse way. So we have to write this as 0.6 plus 3.6 plus 3. And then this one minus 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 1. That write the reverse way and divide. So this is how to get the first term of the quotient, first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. 0.6 z power minus 2 by minus 0.2 z power minus 2 will give you minus 3. So minus 3 into this whole 3 terms and then do the division, you know that, and get the remainder. So this remainder, how to write this? H of z will be minus 3 plus the remainder plus the divisor. That is 5 by 3, we can write it as 1 plus 2 by 3. That's what I've written here. 5 by 3, 1 plus 2 by 3. Understood? Now as usual, parallel form, find the factors for the denominator and then leave this minus 3, and only for this second term we have to do partial fraction, because we have to get it in the form h1 of z plus h2 of z. So take this, find partial fraction, a by 1 minus 0.4 z inverse plus b by 1 plus 0.5 z inverse. So 3.9 z inverse plus 6 is equal to a into this plus b into this. To find a, b should be 0. When will b be 0? When you put z inverse is equal to 1 by 0.4. So put z inverse is equal to 1 by 0.4, which is nothing but 2.5. So this will be 3.9 into 2.5 plus 6, a into 1 plus 0.5 into 2.5. Simplify this, we will get a as 7. Now to find b, a should be 0. When will a be 0? This should be 1 minus 1. When will this be minus 1? When you put z inverse equal to 1 by 0.5. So put z inverse equal to 1 by 0.5 to find b. 1 by minus 1 by 0.5, nothing but minus 2. Minus, because places you have to put minus 1 by 0.5. minus 2. Substitute here Z inverse minus 2. Here also minus 2, and find the value as B is equal to minus 1. Therefore, A will be 7 and B will be minus 1. Next class we will see how to draw this.